Now, side hustle number 2 that I'm going to talk about is print on demand. Right now, what is print on demand? In the past, when you wanted to own merch, you needed to contact a supplier somewhere in China, order in bulk, be it t-shirts or hoodies, import those goods, store them somewhere, go to physical printers and print them out, come back with printed designs, and you would then need to market those t-shirts and those designs in the hope that you might find clients. So you needed to waste quite a lot of money before you could own merch. Now, gone are those days. Right nowadays, there are print on demand platforms. I'm just going to mention 3, the ones that I'm involved with, and those are Redbubble, Teespring, and TeePublic. Now, there are plenty of others, and if you want like a dedicated video on print on demand and how you can grow on those platforms, I've got a separate video and I'll leave it on the description. But print on demand, essentially what it is, if you are a designer, right, a graphic designer, a photographer, a painter, right, someone who's just artistic, like art is your passion, this is for you. You just go to this platform, you upload your designs, you customize how you want them to look on each item. That could be on a hoodie, on a t-shirt, on a mat. They're just, literally, hundreds of things that you can place your designs on. Now, once you've done that, you upload, you customize how you want it to look, you set your profit margin. There you go. You have an online store, right? Now, a platform like Redbubble might tell that, okay, for us to make this t-shirt, it's going to cost us $15. You can then add your profit margin, right? It could be $5, $10, $15, whatever you want to set it to be. That's just how much you're going to make. Now, when someone goes to Redbubble, I'm just going to make an example with Redbubble. If someone goes to Redbubble and they purchase a t-shirt, a hoodie, a mat, a mug, a cup that has your design on it, you get to keep your profit margin, and Redbubble takes their own. And they handle the shipping, they handle the inventory, they handle the customer support. They just handle everything else that is related to running an online store or an e-commerce business. All you have to do is come up with designs, upload them to these platforms, and when someone purchases, you get paid. That's just how easy it is. Now, you need to be a bit patient with print on demand. You're not going to make money overnight. That's just something that has to be on your mind. Plus, there needs to be consistent designs. Now, each platforms have their own regulations, right? Let me just tell you about Redbubble. You need a minimum of 5 designs for your listings to appear to prospective clients or customers. TeePublic, you need between 25 and 30 designs. And on Teespring, you need to get at least a few sales by yourself before they can promote your designs to other platforms. If you want a dedicated video that talks about how you can grow in print on demand on these print on demand platforms, you can just check the description box below, or I'll just link it somewhere here. Now, one of the questions that I get from my mates about these print on demand platforms is, Tabang, now that I've uploaded my design, does that mean that that print on demand platform owns my designs? And the answer to that is absolutely not. You have full control. You can decide that, okay, I'm just tired of making money with these print on demand platforms. I want to take my designs down. That is just up to you. You still own your rights to the designs, the images, your art. Those rights still belong to you. And one of the other things that I love about these print on demand platforms is that they are non-exclusive. And that means I can have the same design on TeePublic, I can have it on Teespring, I can have it on Redbubble, I can have it on Match by Amazon, I can have it on all these different platforms and sell the same design on all these different platforms. And that just increases your chances of making more profit. So definitely, if you are someone who's creative, who maybe knows how to use Photoshop, you're a digital artist, you're a painter, definitely this is an option for you. Print on demand definitely is an option for you. and you still own the rights to your designs. And the last thing that I love about print on demand is the fact that it's got passive income capabilities, right? Once you start gaining some traction and making sales, you can be guaranteed that you're going to be making a consistent amount on a monthly basis passively. You just upload your designs, you set them up proper, and then you can start making money on a monthly basis. Passive income potential is definitely there with these print on demand platforms, which is why I love it so much.